Coming in there looks like EasyJet, doesn't it? Coming in, you can just see that orange stripe above the cockpit there. Nice, nice landing. A Ryanair landed before. It landed halfway down the bloody runway. Don't know why there's no wind. You know, perfect landing conditions today, but yeah, that's the Neo livery. It's taking its time as well, stopping. It normally stops here and then turns around there, but it's using a bit more of the actual runway today. Be interesting to get the registration of that, to be honest with you. It doesn't look a British EasyJet. Oh, what's that? Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's a bird. The EasyJet and Aegon are lining up. I'll get EasyJet coming round. Aegon. Going to Greece airline. And then EasyJet will come up here and then I'll get the reg of that because it looks a funky reg. And normally they're registered in the UK, but that doesn't look like it's a UK reg, so before the trees, easy, surely. Yeah, there it is. Off it goes. Gears up. There goes Aegon. Right, let's look at this reg on here. What do you think of the livery of that, guys? The Neo livery of EasyJet. Let us know in the comments. Say it's OJ with English. Oscar, Echo, Dash, Lima, Sierra, Oscar. Let us know in the comments what you think of the livery.